Hello. For this video lesson, we will learn how to find the value of m and n wey be all element of n with n wey dem say na odd number all through. Make we see how we go solve this question. To solve this question first, we go first see how we go take comot na fractions na im be all the question. So to comot the fraction, wetin we go do na to take the least common multiple for this expression. So we will take 1 divided by m plus 4 divided by n, and then we will look wetin be the least common multiple for these two wey be LCM. Now if we take the least common multiple for these two, we go see say the least common multiple for these two na mn, because m times n go give us mn. So mn divided by m go give us n, times 1 go give us n, plus mn divided by n go give us m, times 4 go give us 4m. So this one go dey equal to 1 divided by 12. So if we see this one now, the next thing we go ask ourselves be say, wetin we go do to reduce this expression? Now if you see expression wey be fraction wey equal to sign hold, the next thing wey go come our mind na to cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, e go give us say 12 go multiply n plus 4m, and this one go dey equal to mn go multiply 1. So if we expand am, we will get 12 times n go give us 12n, plus 12 times 4m go give us 48m, and this one go dey equal to m times 1 go give us mn. So wetin go happen here na to simplify. Now make we take everything wey dey left hand side, take am to the right hand side wey be this side. So if we take am, we go get mn, 12 wey be plus go go over to give us minus 12n, 48 wey be plus go come over to give us minus 48m, and all of them go dey equal to 0. So now wetin we go do from here? Now from here, we need to do wetin we dey call factorization. For us to factorize, we go find value wey we go multiply together, wey go give us, wey we go multiply these two together, 48 times 12. If we multiply 48 times 12, e go give us 576. So that means say if we add 576 to this expression, we go fit factorize am. So make we add 576. This one will give us mn minus 12n minus 48m, right, plus 576, and this one go dey equal to 0 times 576. So anything wey you do for mathematics for the left hand side, you must do am for the right hand side. Now wetin we don do like that. So if you see am now, the right hand side go just give us 0, because 0 times 576 will give us 0. So this one now we fit simplify am. The common term for here and here na n. So we go bring out n. mn divided by n go give us m, minus 12n divided by n go give us 12. So the next thing na to come find the common thing between this and this. The common thing na 48. 48m divided by 48 will give us m, minus 576 divided by 48 will give us 12. So you see, say we get two common terms wey be this and this. So wetin we go do next na to bring out the common term. So this one will give us n minus 48, and then we will get m minus 12, and all of this one go dey equal to 0. So wetin we go do? Now make you remember two things wey dem ask us for the question. They say m and n na natural number. That means say dem be positive wetin? Dem be positive number. They go always be positive number. Na we will get. Now the second thing wey we dey talk be say dem tell us say n na odd number. So wetin we go do be say na to make sure say we find all the values wey be n, say dem be all odd number. So that means the value wey n minus 48 will give us but must be odd number. So from here, wetin we go do na to look for all the factors of 576 wey be odd numbers. So na wetin we go find out. To find out all the factors wey be 576, make we take 576 and make we look for two factors. 576 3 go fit divide 576, and if 3 divide 576, e go give us 197. Okay, what if na 9? Okay, wetin go happen be say if we take 9, 9 go give us 64. 9 times 64 na im go give us 576, and 9 go give us 3 square, abi? So 3 square while 64 go give us 2 to the power of 6. So that means if I simplify this thing now, I fit get the factors, the odd factors, because this na odd number while this na even number. So that means all the odd numbers wey I go get go be 333. So wetin that one mean say all the odd numbers, the odd factors of 576 go be numbers wey be wetin wey end with 3. Now there go be numbers like 1, like 3, and also 9 even there wey be 3 divided by what? By 2. So if we take all these ones as odd numbers wey be wetin? This one na 9. So if we take all this one as odd number, that means say all the values wey we go multiply for n minus 48 must be odd number. So we go get n minus 48, and then we go get wetin? M minus 12. So if all the numbers for n minus 48 go give us 1, e go give us 3, and e go give us 9. Now wetin go be the other numbers for m minus 12? Now if we check the other numbers for m minus 12, make we see 576 divided by 1. 576 divided by 1 go still give us 576. So the other number here go be 576. Now if we divide 576 by 3, e go give us 192. 576 divided by 3. 3 here go give us 1, then we go put 2 here. 3 in 27 will give us 9, then 3 in 6 will give us 2. So you give us 192, and then 576 divided by 9 will give us 64. We see am for that side. So that means for all these factors, all of these, if this one dey together, and this one, if this one dey together, and this one dey together, and this one dey together, they go give us the answer wey we need for the pair m and wetin and n. So make we start am. The first set na number 1 and 516. So that means if m minus 12 dey equal to 576, that means the value of our m here go dey equal to 576 plus 12. No be so? And then if we add am together, we go see say our m go dey equal to 580. Now the next thing wey we go think about na the next one na n minus 48, abi? And if you check that expression, e dey equal to 1. So if n minus 48 dey equal to 1, so we go take our n to be equal to 1 plus 48. 1 plus 48 go give us wetin? Our n go dey equal to 49. So wetin that one go give us? 49. So that means for this pair, if m na 588, that means n go be 49. So you see say n na odd number. So that means say this expression dey correct. Now make we check the second pair. The second pair na 3 and 9, 5, 192. Na im be the second pair. So if m minus 12 dey equal to 192, then m go dey equal to 192 plus 12. So m now go dey equal to 192 plus 12. 192 plus 12 will give us wetin? 204. Na m go give us. Now, when we get n minus 48, that one dey equal to 3 according to the second pair. So if that one dey equal to 3, that means n go dey equal to 3 plus 48. 3 plus 48 go make n to dey equal to wetin? 3 plus 48 go make n to be equal to 8 plus 3 go give us 11. That one go give us 51. So that means say for that pair, if m be 204, then n na 51. So you see say n na still odd number. That tell us say this one dey correct. Then the last one na C, wey we get the value of n to be equal to 9 and 64. Now make we put that figure. This one go give us m minus wetin? Minus 12 equal to 64. Then here m go dey equal to 64 plus 12. 64 plus 12 go give us wetin? Our m go dey equal to 76. So if m na 76, that means say n minus 48 go dey equal to the next number na 9, right? The next number na 9. So if we put 9 here, n go dey equal to 9 plus 48. 9 plus 48 go make our n to be equal to wetin? 9 plus 48 go make our n to be equal to 18 plus this one go be 17 and this one go be 5. E go make am to be 57. So that means say the pair na m wey be 76 and n wey be 57. So you see say 57 na still odd number. E tell us say all of this one dey correct. So the three pair na this pair, and this pair. Na dem be the answer to that maths expression wey dem give us for up there. So make we find the value of m and n such that m and n na natural number and all the n na odd number. So you see how we take find the solution to this question? Very easy. If you like this maths lesson wey we do, make you like am, give am your thumbs up, share am with your friend, and make you no forget to subscribe to this channel for more of our Pidgin content. Thank you very much, and I will see you for our next class.